Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to move contact to the SIM card on Redmi 13C device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open contact application on your device. Well, after that here you can click on settings icon at the top right corner. And then here please select import or export contacts. Okay, after that press on this option. And then here on my SIM card, I just scan to move 5 contacts. And then I will select them like this. And then press OK. Okay, and then the contact is successfully moved. Well, that's the tutorial on how to move contact to the SIM card on Redmi 13C device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.